People have been partnering with bees for thousands of years, but today, backyard beekeeping is exploding. It fits perfectly into the modern maker movement, a unique craft where humans and nature team up to create something incredible. Getting started takes patience and some very specific gear. You'll need a wooden hive box, a protective suit, a smoker, and a hive tool. Your main job, keep the bees safe from pests and give them room to build. It's very hands-on work that connects you directly to your local ecosystem. Inside the hive, the creative process is on full display. Bees work as a multi-generational team to build perfect wax hexagons, raise young, and store food. When you lift a frame, you're stepping into a quiet, ancient rhythm that connects you straight to the land. But let's be honest, the best part is the harvest. Raw honey is a true culinary delicacy. Its flavor, color, and texture change depending on the flowers nearby. Mild clover, dark and spicy wildflower. Every jar is a reflection of your unique neighborhood. And here is a mind-blowing fact. Because of its low moisture and high acidity, bacteria can't survive in it. Properly stored honey will basically last forever. Plus, unlike processed grocery store honey, raw honey is never heated or microfiltered, so it keeps all of its natural goodness. That means it's packed with cell-protecting antioxidants. It's famous for soothing sore throats, healing minor burns, and many people swear by local raw honey to build up a tolerance against seasonal allergies. Beekeeping is not always easy. Hives can fail, winters are tough, and yeah, you'll probably get stung, but supporting local pollination and getting a sweet reward straight from your backyard is a beautiful blend of tradition, biology, and heart. Happy keeping. Shape your tomorrow. Visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com for the latest innovations. Follow at TWT Explore for daily insights and subscribe to our YouTube channel.